All right, all right. Looks like we're coming up online. Oh, that looks good. That looks good. Okay, here, let me just get a few things in order here. Make sure everything is rocking and rolling. All right. Oh, good. Okay, one last double check. Let me just hear this. Looks good. Okay. Oh, that's good. Perfect. Look at that right out of the gate. Let's get this started. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the SageRock system. Today we have a thrilling, exciting class. Exciting, jaw-dropping drama. YouTube 101. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? YouTube 101, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to talk all about the YouTube, basically YouTube setup, I should say. I should say YouTube setup. I wasn't having my glasses on, so I missed it. But yes, YouTube setup 101. We have a lot to talk about today. So I think we should just get right to the show. Right to the show. All right. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to start at the very beginning. The very beginning, unable to start Firefox. That's great news. Fantastic. You know what then? Let's just try Internet Explorer. I hear that's a browser. Let's see. Let's just see. Okay. All right. Alrighty. Let's see. Okay. So what I want to tell you is that it is, I believe, very important to start with a brand new account. Okay. Unless, of course, you already have a YouTube account, and in which case, probably that's the one to use, you know. Like if you already have a YouTube account for your business, then I'd say you're fine and you're happy with the way it's set up. But if you have not started one, it is an ideal time to start it correctly. So here I am at youtube.com. I'm going to click the sign in button. And I am going to sign in with a different account. So here, I'm going to remove this. Hold on. Done. Okay. All right. So I'm going to create an account. All right. And the reason I'm going to do this, in fact, what I would recommend is that you create an account that you use for all your social media that is not your personal account. That way other people can get into it and that sort of thing. So here we'll just go in here and we'll do that. I would like you'll get an email address. You'll get an email with a link to confirm this address is yours. But I'm going to just click here as getting a new email address. And like what I like to do is I go something like SageRock.YouTube test. Like I would just call this SageRock.YouTube or SageRock.social I'm just going to call this SageRock example 1. Okay. All right. And here, let me put in a password. And I will put in my birthday. It's good to do this correctly because they can sometimes use this as a verification. I've put in the wrong birthday in these things before, and they're like, I'll call them and be like, I really want to get in. And they're like, tell me your birthday. And then I'm like, and I tell them, and they're like, that's not your birthday, silly. And I'm like, but it is. They're like, that's not what you wrote here. And so, you know, it's a good idea to make that legit. So I'm going to try it without mobile phone and current email address and just see what happens. Let's just see. Privacy, yes. Blah, 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 of course. Use all my information. I'm pretty sure that's what that says. Okay, good. So right here, my new email address is sagerock.example1. So you can see I can put a little dot in there. I like to do that. That's just a little of the way I organize things here. And I'm going to continue to the YouTube. Look how easy that was. Was that easy or was that easy? Oh my God, I know, right? I know. Okay. So there you go. So that's how I want you to start, okay? If you're new to YouTube and you know, you're really thinking ahead about how to properly set things up, please consider setting it up with a separate dedicated email address that you're using for all these kinds of things. And by the way, welcome. My name is Sage. I'm your tour guide through the YouTube Setup 101 class here. If you have any questions, please feel free to write them in the comments here. Hi, where I say hi, everybody, with a smiley face right there. You just put your comments in there, questions, and I will gladly answer them because I am watching them like a hawk. A hawk, I tell you. A real hawk. Okay. Let me get to you YouTube usage statistics. Let me just go through this here really quickly. Let me show you some of this here. I feel like this is useful because it lets you take a moment to understand and appreciate the awesomeness. And by awesomeness, I mean just sheer massive awesomeness, not like totally awesome, dude. I mean, I personally think it's really awesome, but just massiveness. So YouTube has over 1 billion users, okay? Almost 1/3 of all people on the internet, and every day people watch hundreds of millions of hours on YouTube and generate billions of views. YouTube overall, and even YouTube on mobile reaches more listen to this, 18 to 34-year-olds and 18 to 49-year-olds than any cable network on the U.S. Does that impress you? Impresses me. They're in 88 countries. You can navigate it in 76 languages. Mobile. Once users are on YouTube, they're spending more time per session watching videos. On mobile, the average viewing session is now more than 40 minutes. 40 minutes. More than half of YouTube views come from mobile devices. So by being on YouTube, you're already making yourself mobile friendly. Advertising, the number of channels, listen to this, earning 6 figures per year on YouTube is up 50% year over year. I wish they would have given the exact number. Copyright, as of July 2016, YouTube has paid out $2 billion to right holders who have chosen to monetize claims. So that's meaning people that have monetized their videos, making money out of them, they paid them $2 billion. As of July 2015, there's 8,000 plus partners using Content ID, including many major network broadcasters, movie studios, and record labels who have claimed over 400 million videos, helping them control their content on YouTube and make money on videos containing copyrighted material. We have more than 50 million active reference files in our content database, making it the most comprehensive in the world. It's even won a Primetime Emmy. Yes. So there you go. It's huge. Let me see if I can find anything else. First YouTube video uploaded April 23rd, 2004. Number of people that use it, 1.3 billion. 300 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every minute. Almost 5 billion videos are watched on YouTube every day. On an average month, 8 out of 10 18 to 49-year-olds watch YouTube. 80% of them. By 2025, half of the viewers under 32 will not subscribe to a paid TV service. 6 out of 10 prefer online video platform to live TV. Total number of videos watched on YouTube each month, 3.25 billion. Anyways, anything else that you want to know? A lot, okay? A lot of everything. That's all you should know. 9%. Here's a crappy number for you. 9% of U.S. small businesses use YouTube. Okay. Do you see the discongruity there? Is that a word? Everybody is watching YouTube. 9% of U.S. small businesses are using YouTube. Let me say it another way. Everybody is watching YouTube. The vast majority of small businesses are not using YouTube. Doesn't that seem a little stupid? Sorry. Why would that be? Anyways. Is it because YouTube's so expensive to use? No, it's free. I think people are intimidated. You, my friend, my dear friend, are not going to be intimidated anymore. Yes, that's true. That is true. Okay. What else can I learn here? Okay. All right, let's move on. I think that's it. Do you understand? It's powerful. How to set up a YouTube account, which includes deciding on the YouTube account. So we have started with that. Okay. So There it is. There it is. Okay. So now we're back at it. We're back at it. Look at the YouTube, Google Home, by the way. You can say whatever. Google, tell me the weather, and it'll tell you the weather. Okay, what I want you to know here is, no, I don't want to get Chrome. This is the homepage of YouTube, okay? And it will change based on if you watch YouTube videos, what you're watching, if you like things or subscribe to channels and that sort of thing. So, like, for example, let me just go over here. Let's just watch this. In fact, I'm going to press pause on this just simply because people are, they'll probably be like, you're watching somebody's awesome content. So I'm just going to stop. All you have to do is press this subscribe button. Do you see it right here? Do you see it? You press it. And now I'm subscribed to that video. Over here, you can like a video or not like a video. I will click like a video. You see? So now I have subscribed to believe that. And I have liked this particular video, of which has gotten 3.3 million views. You can see here that I can share this video. I can embed this video in like a website. And I can email this video. Do you see? Do you see? So, and then I can comment on a video. Yes, I will comment as Sage. Yes. It says here, by clicking create a channel, you agree to YouTube service. I'm not going to do that right here just because I don't want to mess up what I'm doing.
17 Google images.
Stop it. Okay. So, all right. So there you go. Okay. So now that will, those videos, the ones that I have liked or I'm sorry, that I've subscribed to, if I do subscriptions, yeah. Okay. So look, so I'm in subscriptions right now. And these are all the subscriptions of that one place. See, these are all the Believe That videos. So I can come in here and watch those. But they also, the videos on the homepage will change based on subscriptions and that sort of thing. You know, so here's recommended ones because you can see Believe That is up here. And then they inject other ones here. Cars recommended videos for me. I don't know why it knows that I like cars. Election results, war, recently uploaded, Believe That. You see, they're just finding videos that they think I would like. And they are right. I would like most of those videos. So there you go. Right here, if you'll see, right on the home page of YouTube is an upload button. You can click that. And you can click, it'll say, the first time it'll say create a channel. I will create a channel right here. So now I have created a channel. Okay. So now I am no longer just merely a viewer. I am now a publisher or about to be a publisher. Okay. So, and all you have to do here is you can upload a video like, here, let me go to my videos. Let me go for the video, find a video. Come here. Come here. Okay, good. So you come over here and let's see. Open broadcaster. So here's this one. And all you have to do is just drag that over. Just drag that over. Maybe it needs me to go in there. All right, fine. I thought you could drag. I guess not. I guess not. All right, hold on. So if you just take one of these videos and let's see, open broadcaster. Let me just find an LMNO, open broadcaster, open. Oh, that's a lot of OBSs. Come on, man. Anyways, all right. You see there? I don't know what this video is. It's probably some porn I made, you know. Anyways, okay, good. Errors occurred because sending data over the network. It's probably because I'm online and streaming and everything like that. But trust me, it works fine. It works really good. Okay, anyways. So I will show you here. We'll try it again. It's not hard. We're going to do it here in a minute. But what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go back to the home page. All right. And I'm going to click my little icon over here that it's just a little green background me. And you're going to get this page. and you will see Creator Studio and this little gear. Little gear. They call it a gear. I always want to say ratchet, but it's a gear. It's not a ratchet at all. It's a gear. I'm going to start there. I'm going to go into YouTube settings. Okay? All right. So here we go. So I'm just going to move right through here. I'm in the overview. This is me. I can edit this on Google if I want. These are still connected. YouTube is still connected to Google Plus. Blah 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 blah. So, and anyways, that is that. So, like, say for example, you want to change your picture. Okay, you come in here, you upload a picture, find a picture. Sage, just come on now. There. Wait, I just saw one. This guy here. Take him, open, and it's going to upload it. It's going to put it there. That'll be fine. Yes, it will. It's done. Yes. Okay, and so now that picture will eventually, I don't know that it'll do it right away, but it will eventually migrate to YouTube. Okay, it takes a while. I don't know why. Okay, so there you go. There you go. Let's just on overview learn about YouTube Red. That's where you pay them $10 a month for basically nothing. I don't recommend it really. No, I don't. YouTube Red does take away commercials, which if you watch a lot of YouTube, I guess is pretty good. But I'm going to go right in here. View or change your account settings. Okay, and that goes back to your Google My Account, the myaccount.google.com. Okay. So there's that. Additional features. Okay. So right here now, it's jumped. I think I'm gonna not go through that. I just wanted to show you this overview of what you can do here. Okay. So so that again is under this. You click on your picture and you go to the gear and you get here. And then I'm going to stop talking about all these things just because it's not really what this is about. This is more about you as a viewer and not as much as you as a publisher. I had pizza for lunch and I'm not gloating, but it made me very thirsty. It was so good though. Thank you, Greg. It's Greg's idea. Okay. Now, where the fun begins. Are you ready for the fun? I knew you would be. Click on Creator Studio. Click on that. I clicked on my picture. Okay, good. All right. So here, so now you can see this is where you customize your dashboard. Okay. So I guess they want us to do that first. I don't know why. Let's do it. Let's press click widget. Let's do it. So here you can see what goes on your dashboard. Okay. So you can add videos. You can add comments, analytics. You see right here. See? And then what you can do, then you can also delete them. What? To remove it. Yes, please. And I can also move them around. See? I can move them. Move it. Trust me. Maybe it's because there's nothing here, but normally I can move these things around. Wait, trust me. Just trust me. Okay? Anyways, so I'm in my Creator Studio, and this is information about videos I create. See, it's in the word name. Creator, create. See the difference? Yes, okay. Good. Now let's just fly right through. So there it is. Now let's go to Video Manager. This is where my videos would be, okay? And I'm going to go through this right now as a blank account, and then as long as I have time, I am going to show you what it looks like in a built out account, okay? Playlists, you can make playlists of videos if you want. You just go into here, make a new playlist, and you can make a playlist of videos and then share that playlist with people. Live streaming is huge. It's huge. First things first, we'll make sure your account's in good standing, okay? So, like, you're just going to have to go through, you just click Get Started, okay? Select your country, text me a verification code, okay? Fine. 416-7519. Okay, that my 6-digit verification code's coming. Here it is. Darn it. Hold on, let me get it. So you have to verify your account to do this. What? Just okay. 241-650. There it is. Bam. Congratulations, it's verified, dude. All right, that's great, man. Okay, good. So now I can stream. Isn't that exciting? If you don't know that word, that means I can make videos live, like what you're watching right now. In fact, this is exactly what you're watching. Isn't that mind-boggling? Jeez, it's like a mirror or something. Anyways, there you go. So what I'm going to tell you is that I could make a whole class out of live streaming, but I'm going to tell you this. Stream Now requires encoding software. 2 very popular ones are XSplit and Open Broadcaster software. In order to use Stream Now, you must use an encoding tool. You cannot do it without it. You cannot do it. Can't do it. So what'll happen is, well, with XSplit, you actually just log in and it finds this stream name / key, puts it right in there. With Open Broadcaster, you have to copy this stuff and put it in there. And then what that is, basically this stream name key is like a password. They talk to each other. So this here, you tell it to go to this server URL and then put in this user or this password, and bam, you're streaming live. It's not that hard, but that's all I'm going to say about it. Because, because it's, to the uninitiated, a little confusing. But what I will tell you is events is much easier. This is actually Google Hangouts on Air. New live event. You click this, okay? You put in your title, test, today, now, blah, 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 blah. You click go live now. I'm not going to do this because it could wreak. It will wreak havoc, I think. A little sleepy. I don't know. I'm making up words. It'll open up a window. There'll be another window. It'll be like, press to go live now. It is a very easy way to stream live on your desktop. I highly encourage you to do it. There'll be a URL that you just share with people. Bada boom, bada bing. I could do a whole show on that. Not going to do it. Not going to do it today. But I just wanted to let you know that is that. Okay? Okay. All right. Now what I'm going to do, like a cooking show, I am going to go to an account that already exists because it'll, I think, be more interesting. I don't know. Interesting is kind of a subjective word now, isn't it? Anyways, here you go. Oh my God, poor Donald Trump, our president with weird lips. Okay, all right, says Chia, says China. Anyways. Okay, here we go. Get in there. Go. There it is. Good. Okay, so does this ring a bell? Does it recall? Why? It's a weird saying. Does this ring a bell? No, it doesn't ring a bell. I don't hear any bells. Anyways, so I'm in the dashboard now of this account, of the account you're watching right now. And you can see the videos. You can see how many views they've gotten. You can see analytics over the last 28 days, watch time in minutes. People have watched 2,572 minutes of me. Ugh. Anyways. 906 views, no subscribers, you bastards. And I have made $1.46. Boom, bring on the bling, baby. Oh my Lord, what am I going to do with it all? I'm not sharing it with you. That's all I know because, man, we live in a Republican world now. To each their own, man. You get yours. You get your own $1.46. Okay, now. Anyways, then you can click on more and you can see here, I've gotten 8 likes, 1 dislike, bastard, 43 comments, 8 shares, videos added to a playlist, 308, and 0 subscribers. What's the matter with those people? Subscribe to me, dang it. So, anyways, I'm gonna go. So that's what the dashboard looks like. Okay. So, and you can see here, there's videos, what's new, tips, videos. Why do I have videos? You can see here. Anyways, you know, and I can read my comments. So it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. All right. Video manager. This is just the videos. What you can do in here, and I'm gonna come back to editing videos, but you can basically come in here and edit videos and add different things to them. I'll get back to that. I'll get back to that. Video playlists, like these are playlists that I've created of my own videos. That's sort of that, and other people's videos, incidentally. You can do that. Copyright notices. I think I've got a couple of these. Okay, so here, jeez, this one's blocked worldwide, bastards. And then you can click on this and be like, this copyright content was found because of the claim that the video can't be played on YouTube. The claimant was Organizaciones Globo. I've always had a thing with those Organizaciones Globos people. They and I have always had it out. I don't know. What happened was, I think I know exactly what happened on that video. I was watching a commercial, and apparently they didn't want me to watch their commercial. And so they got notification that their commercial was in my video, and they were like, no way are we letting his people watch our commercial. And the Globos das Comercios Grassos people, or whatever they're called, banned my video. So screw you, Globo Gagasasos, or whatever. Look at this. Blocked in some countries. Which countries? Not the cool ones. I know that. Waka Waka, this time for Africa. Shakira featuring Freshly Ground. Some countries are like, we can't listen to that. We can't listen to Shakira. She's too hot. She's too hot. We don't allow our people. So get that video off of our country. That's all I know. But so what I can tell you is briefly, so what happens is there is content that you're sometimes allowed to have on your videos. Some content is not allowed to have on your videos at all. Some content you can have in certain countries. Some content you can have, but you can't monetize your videos. And I'm going to show you all of that in a moment. Aren't you just dying to know? Good Lord, Sage, show it all to me. Show it all. Community. Community. Here you go. Okay, here's Leo Goodwin sending a link. Leo Goodwin was kind of like into my videos here and just starts going crazy. I don't know. Sports Pro. I've been researching growing African-American hair long and discovered a fantastic resource. Funny thing, me too. No. Spammer. Spammer. And then you get a lot of haters. Here's DMC. You know Twitter's dying, right? It plummeted in market numbers. It's for sale and nobody wants to buy it. Nobody wants to invest in it anymore. All because of its censorship. Twitter removes too much of its users from being online bullies and carving in on freedom of speech. While it is being a platform for terrorist organizations, it's Black Lives Matters and ISIS. Twitter is effed. Can you believe that guy spent 2 paragraphs to tell me that? It's not like I know that guy. Yeah. I said, I think it's still got time left. He comes back and says, Sage Lewis, but you agree on that Twitter brought this on itself, right? Yeah, man. Yeah, I do. I don't know. I mean, it's that kind of weirdness that goes on. Anyways, you can message people. There you go. What is the best to communicate with about a WordPress multi-site? Those are not words that equal a sentence. Probably not from America. I don't know, maybe from America and didn't graduate the 1st grade. Not sure, not a sentence, very sure on that. Subscribers, didn't write him back. These are the subscribers right here. Annette Nicola Wayne, 2 days ago, just signed right up. I can subscribe to her. See, she only has 3 subscribers. That's what my son likes to call them, subscribers. I subscribe to her. She's got to be so happy. And then I can send her a message and be like, Annette, thank you for subscribing. You're so amazing. See, Keyword Solutions. Subscribe. See? So there. fan funding. I rake it in with this. This is amazing. I have fan funding turned on and people just flood me with money. Mostly they don't ever. Never actually has ever happened. But probably one of the reasons why, because I've never really asked for it. But here he said, what are you working on? Trying to make videos for my career. Thank fans who supported you. Thank them. Okay, thank you. Promote fan funding, and you can put in cards and that sort of thing. Anyways, you could do that. Community settings. Community settings, people. Moderators, so I can add other YouTubers here. Approved users. Don't know what that is. Hidden users. Blacklist. I can take words. For some reason, the word faggots is blacklisted here. I don't know why. I think YouTube doesn't like that word because I don't recall putting that word in. It wouldn't be my first word to put in. I mean, not that I want people to use that word. I'm just saying, of all the words I could think of to blacklist, that wouldn't be my first word. That's all I'm saying. I don't know. Comments on your videos. Allow, hold for review, or disable. Comments on your channel. Allow, hold, disable. Creator credits on your channel. Allow, hold. Anyways, I don't even know what that is. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what this credit thing is. Pending, because I don't have any. List of videos you've been credited in. Oh, I know why. Because nobody has credited my videos. Meaning I'm not in anybody's videos. Whatever. I don't need to be in other people's videos. Collaboration, people. It's the future. It's the future. Okay, good. So here I am now in my channel. Copyright status, community guideline status, good standing. Now, if you recall, you were like, but dude, Gracios Gassos hates you. Why is your copyright status still good? It's because they just removed the video and I'm cool. It's not like I do it all the time, okay? And then it says monetization. Then you can go through all the things and see what you can do. I can now do everything. It took me, the one thing that I was trying to do for a long time was to offer paid content. And you needed 1,000 subscribers, and I got 1,000 subscribers just recently. So now, if you go over here and go to, what was it, channel? Leave this page, yes, leave it. Leave the page. Okay, so here you can see what, so these are things that are enabled and not enabled. So I can enable monetization. I just have to connect this with an AdSense account. The ineligible paid content. You have to have 1,000 people, subscribers. Can't say it any other way. I'm sorry. To offer paid content. I was so excited, and then I realized nobody wanted to pay for my content. So I was like, well, that was stupid. Anyways, these are the things that you can do in your account. It's there. That's good, right? Monetization. Then you can kind of dig through these things. See, I do have monetization. I've made, like I said, here, the transaction report should be coming up momentarily where I'll just rub it in your face. All the money I make here, just wait for it. Just wait. You just wait. Are you leaving, Rocco? I'm out. All right, honey. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I love you very much. You're awesome. And, don't forget, I'll be home like never. Yeah. So anyways, I made $1.46. That thing is not loading. So there, $1.46. Suck it. That's what I have to say about that. Better than you. That's all I can tell you. Anyways, upload defaults. Upload defaults. So here is handy because what you can do is you can say private. Let me tell you what those mean. Public means anybody can see it and it's searchable. Unlisted means if they have the link, they can watch it. Private means you have to put in their username, their Google username, and they can access it. You pick the category that you want to be in, license, standard or Creative Commons. Then you can have a default title, default description, default tags, all your default comments, monetization, ad formats, ad blah, 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 blah. It's very good to have the defaults because it'll save you time as you're uploading thing. Paid subscriptions. I have a paid channel. It's not this channel. No, but you don't need to see that because nobody has paid. So there you go. Featured content. So featured content. This is like stuff that you can. I don't know. Feature. Branding. Add a watermark. You can add a watermark, so you can see for best results. Use transparency in just one color. You see, don't put it like this. Make it like one of these. See how that's transparent? See, and then you can have a little watermark. That'd be good. I don't do that because you know why? Nobody looks at my videos. So there you go. Advanced channel keywords. My country is United States. Yes, it is. Advertisements. Allow advertisements to be displayed alongside my videos. Yes. Disable interest-based ads. No. Link with an AdWords account. That allows you to add... if you link to an AdWords account, then you can buy advertisement on these videos. Beyond this show. Can't tell you about it. Associated website. Tell us if your channel is associated with a website. So it is. It's with SageRock.com, and that allows me to put a link in my videos directly to my website. Channel recommendations. Allow my channel to appear in other channel recommendations, or you can turn that off. I like it to appear in other recommendations so I can pop up. Subscriber count. Display the number of people subscribed to your channel, or you can hide it if you're embarrassed. Google Analytics tracking ID. I just put that in there. That's for my SageRock one, so it ties it all together. See? Okay, do you feel me? Are you feeling good? How you doing? You loving it? You loving this? I knew you were. Okay, so here again, these are all of my stats. Okay, so you can see which videos are the number of watch minutes, watch time. So set up a, this is a long video. It's an hour. And I've done 305 minutes watch time, 91 views. I've made 49 cents on that, baby. Yes, I have. Oh, yes. Yes, I have. And then you can come through here. You can see like who watches my videos. 3/4 of people are men. Men. 62% come from the United States of America. America. Traffic sources. External YouTube search, suggested videos, and other. Where people are watching it, the YouTube watch page or embedded, that sort of thing. Okay. You can dig more in all of these. Here, I'll show you live streaming because I do a fair amount of that. So, top past live streams. So it can show you these and you can kind of go in and see what they look like. I think I'm gonna just stop with all of that. You get an idea, right? So then translations. I've never done a translation. Turn on or off community settings for all videos I've uploaded. This will enable it. Okay, all right. Turn on or off community contributions for all the videos we've uploaded. This will also turn on this feature by default for new videos. You can. I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, community contributed subtitles. Oh, I'm sorry. I do know what this is. So people can, if they watched your videos, upload subtitles and closed captioning to your videos. Yes, they can. I've done this in the past, but they're not showing here. I don't know. It's been a long time. So anyways, if you go to create, this is a very interesting place. So here you have the audio library, music policies, and video editor. I'm just going to go to video editor. I'm going to work backwards on this list. Okay. What this allows you to do is basic editing of a video. Okay. So what you do is you just kind of go in here, you drag a video in here. Okay. You can rotate it. See, look at there. That's nice. I can slow motion it by 8 times. I can make the brightness so bright, your future, so bright. It's so bright it's white now. I can pan and zoom. There you go, pan and zoom. I can do all kinds of things. That's all I'm saying, okay? I can also drag audio. Which you can see if you get over here, you can do. I can search for Creative Commons videos. So like, for example, here, City at Night, I could add that right next to it. So then I could have City at Night right there. I could upload pictures. Here is music. So how it began, I can drag music right here. See there? There. Do you feel me? Can you hear that? I think you probably can, right? So now I can put music on my video. Pretty nice, right? Pretty nice. That's all I'm saying. Okay. I wish they had an automatic loop. No tool I've ever used has an automatic loop. I don't know why. I don't know why. I can change filters. I can add text. I can change the volume of audio. Blah, 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 blah. Do you feel me? Yes, I do, Sage. Transitions. I can add a transition. Stop it. I can add a transition. Barn door. Love it. It has the word barn door in it. Pretty good, right? Here, let's watch that barn door, shall we? Shall we watch it? Yes, we shall. Go. Go, barn door. Oh my God. I can't do it because I slow motioned it. Anyways, nice transition. Oh, there it goes. It barn doors. There it is. Anyways, you get the feeling. I can add overlay text. See, slide in some text. Slide in text. Okay, hold on. Slide in text. Slide in text. So there you go. See here. Anyways, you can do this. Hi, everybody. Hi. With a lot of exclamation points. There it is. So now should be able to have an overlay of the text on there and so forth. Okay. All right. So you can overlay that. And then question marks. The keyboard, with keyboard focus in the list of thumbnails, left and right arrows among the space, enter. Navigating with the keyboard. Okay. With keyboard focus in the list of thumbnails, left and right arrows move among the items. Enter or plus adds the chosen item to the editing timeline. Use space to preview the videos. Okay, there you go. And then you click create video, and it will create that video and put it on your channel. Pretty great, right? I knew you'd think so. Now, look at here. Now, let's talk about video library, or audio library. Let's talk about audio library, okay? So what I can tell you is there's a ton of music. A ton. Let's see. Is Madonna in here? No. How about U2? Anything? No. Okay. How about Sunday? Let's see here. Let's see. Okay. What I can tell you is that you will oftentimes find very popular music. This one right here says you're free to use this song and monetize your video, but you must include the following in your video description. You just got to put that in your video description. So there you go. Like, there's a ton of music, and you can go by genre, mood, instrument, duration, and attribution. Attribution not required, see? So you can be like, I want to do stuff that I don't have to tell anybody about. You can also do sound effects. There are sound effects. Here, watch this. Pretty good, right? Watch this. 50 cal. 50 cal shell shot, baby. 50 cal gun cock and dry fire. Don't dry fire your weapon. See? A lot of sounds. Oh, aggressive zombie snarls. That totally doesn't sound like a zombie. That sounds like a vacuum cleaner. Anyways, whatever. Music policies. This directory lists songs and their current music policies. Oh, so here you go. So like here. So look, let's say Calvin Harris featuring Rihanna. This is what you came for. It says if you use this song, playback is blocked in 244 countries. You can't monetize your video. If you perform a cover, it's viewable worldwide and it's viewable and eligible for revenue sharing. Ooh, let's check out Rihanna work. If you use this, it's viewable in every country except Germany. Why? Because they don't like Rihanna. I don't know why. Monetization cannot make money off of it. If you perform a cover, it is viewable worldwide and you're eligible for revenue sharing. So all of these labels have gone through and come up with these policies. So then that means you come in here, you check out the music, you can play the music based on what the policies are. Okay? Pretty neat, right? Don't you think that's neat? I think it's neat. I think so. Let's see, your contributions. You haven't contributed any, so get started, go to contribute. This is something that I don't know anything about. So, how to get free cable on all channels. I guess I can review this? What is this? Okay. So, action. Let's see, discard edits. I don't know. I honestly don't know what this is. I don't know. All I know is I guess I can change some of these things. Or review. I can come down here. Okay. I guess I can contribute to videos. I've never done it before. I don't know. How about contribute? Let's look at this. This is the latest community version. Again, I guess I can contribute by adding like text over it. I can write the words. So that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool, right? I guess that's cool. I guess it's cool. Anyways. Okay. So there you go. Basic channel info. So let's look at channel art really quickly. Let's go back here. So if you go to your channel, okay. Hold on. View channel. Okay, so you go to, okay, sorry. Do you want to know how I did that? Because I don't know how. I went to my face, Creator Studio, and then view channel. Okay? Now, view channel, now if you recall, my picture came from Google Plus, I guess they're calling it. And then add channel art, I could take something from a gallery, for example. So here, like, look at this. So I can just select this stoplight, put it right in my channel, or I can upload stuff. I can also change my description, see? So I think that's worth doing. Just cleans up your channel, makes it look a little bit better, I think, you know? So this is, you know, the privacy, keep all my liked videos and saved lists of these private, keep all my subscriptions private. You can choose that on, you know, channel settings and so forth. So, yeah, I would do that if you're going to be editing and uploading stuff. I would. Yes, I would. I would indeed. Okay, let's see. Creating a playlist, kind of talked about that. Dashboard, live streaming. We went through all of these. Okay, so now let's talk about editing a video. Okay, I'm not talking about video editing a video. I'm talking about editing the
approval. So that's going to be more drugs with less.
Okay, so what I'm at now, I'm in the video manager, and I'm going to click on this edit button right here. I'm clicking on this edit button. Okay, and what you can do here is you can set a thumbnail. Okay, you can upload a thumbnail. You can set a thumbnail, and then you got basic info, which is your title and your description and your tag. You can do a translation if you want. Monetization, I can monetize with ads. I can also require rental or purchase with view, so people have to pay for it. Advanced settings, then I can pick allow comments and that sort of thing. Let me see if I can get you the current numbers of what a YouTube title length should be. Title length. Okay. They change all the time. This is old. All right. So the title is 100 characters. I believe description is like way longer. 980 words or 4,850 characters. 500 characters in the tag section. And that's, you know, I'd say that's probably pretty close generally. The gist is the more you build that stuff out, the more searchable your video becomes and gives it kind of a little bit of a boost ahead of time. So, you know, that's, I think, worth doing. Here you can come in and if your video was public, you can make it unlisted or private so other people can't see it. So, you know, I feel like that is a, you know, so what I'm going to tell you is that optimizing your titles, descriptions, and tags is a very good way of getting your foot in the door with optimizing your video, but really optimizing your video is all about getting engagement, views, likes, shares, subscriptions to your channel, and so forth. Okay. So now, finally, last but not least, we're going to talk about how best to make a video. Or how, I'm going to say maybe not best, but the easiest way. Okay. And what I'm going to tell you is the absolute positively easiest way of making a video is to use your phone. Okay. Your phone is a fine device. Google has a tool. I'm sorry, Google is YouTube. YouTube is a Google property, and I just sometimes, but YouTube has a tool called YouTube Capture. Okay. Create beautiful movies on the go with YouTube Capture. Start recording in a snap and then edit and share your videos any length from your phone. Okay. So this tool is very easy to use. It is not, Capture may slow down your iPhone. Developer, whatever. Okay, so here, I just picked my channel. I have logged in, okay. So here, so what's happening is I'm going to record. So I'm recording here, okay, recording. And you'll see now it has all these different things. It's like you can edit and upload. You can continue to record clips. You can use this X and cross it out. I'm going to now rotate my camera to me. And I'm going to now do a video like this. See, now pretty nice, right? Yeah. And then also, then I'm going to go into my video file. And I'm going to look at maybe, here's a very attractive video of me. Yes. So now, wait. Okay, hold on. Add. Wait a second. Wait. I should be able to. Maybe. I thought it would allow me to. No, maybe I cannot append a current video. I guess I can't. Well, okay, so I guess I could. Sorry. Did it wrong. Simpsons did it. Okay. If I go in here, so what I did was I pressed, you see how there's a little video of me up in that corner up here? Okay, if I press it, okay, then what I can do is I can add a plus here and I can use an existing clip. Okay, there I am, good. So I can choose that, okay, and then I can come back here. I'll do one more. I'll do screen here. See there? Pretty awesome, right? Oh, I know. It's so amazing. Okay. All right. Then if I go into here, I can add music. So I have none selected from my device or use a YouTube soundtrack. I'll just use Bounce It. Oh, yeah. Who doesn't love Bounce It? That's fine. Yes, Bounce It. It's locked up. It's locked up. Drop it. Bounce it. God bless it. Okay. Anyways. All right. That was painful. And then all you have to do at that point is just you click. It merges it. It like mashes it all down together, and then it uploads it to your channel. And bam, you have a video on your channel. You don't have to do music. You don't have to do multiple clips. But your phone by far is the easiest way to get video into your channel. There's many video editing tools on your phone these days, and many of them sync up with your YouTube channel. So if you come in here like video, and they're adding them all the time too. It's amazing. Video, V-I-D-E-O, video editor. There you go. So, you know, video shop I've used. There's Splice, video editor, video. It just goes on and on, really. So you just read through them. If you don't like the capture ones, just read through other ones and be like, oh, I'll take that one. That'll be fine. And then, bam, there you go. You have it. You have it. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is what I wanted to tell you about setting up a YouTube channel. I will just leave this with saying the secret to video is doing video. Stop making excuses about video and just do your videos. Don't worry about it being perfect, or don't even worry about it being good. It's not about that. You cannot expect to make a good video the first time you upload. Don't expect it. It should be terrible. Just keep making more and more and more, and you will finally get better. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is what I wanted to tell you about the world of YouTube Setup 101. All right, everybody, thanks for coming, and I will see you next time. Bye.